Look.
Your
Wait.
models are cute.
Show your head. Show the top of your head.
Yes.
Look,
My
Sauna.
head?
She's a target.
I'm an arrow target.
Can stand over here and throw darts at her. I think she might like that. Maybe
Wouldn't
a
it
little
be
too
really
much.
funny if like you get a bow and like you just shoot at like my target at my head?
You might just die though. It's a little violent. Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Do I? Awful. Am I camouflage?
Oh my gosh, you fit right in.
I wish I could see it.
The diorite is not really useful for anything except decoration, as far as I'm
that's
aware.
just like me.
Hey, don't say that about yourself. You're also great for target practice.
Awesome! I feel a lot better about myself now.
So you can make like